What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is President Joe Biden unveils his $2 trillion infrastructure plan. Here are the details. Let's look right at the key points. Basically, starting with the very first one, President Biden unveiled a more than $2 trillion, guys. This infrastructure plan and this new recovery package on Wednesday is literally worth more money than the last third stimulus package worth $1.9 trillion. This plan aims to revitalize the U.S. transportation, infrastructure, water systems, broadband, and manufacturing, among many other goods. Right here, an increase in the corporate tax rate to 28% corporate tax. This absolutely kills small local businesses. And measure designed to prevent offshoring of profits will fund the spending, according to the White House. Basically, I can't go much into detail in this video, but just to quickly summarize, the plan Biden outlined on Wednesday includes roughly over $2 trillion in spending over 8 years. That would raise corporate tax rate to 28%. That's absolutely ridiculous. The proposal would put $621 billion into transportation, such as bridges, roads, public transport, ports, airports, electric vehicle development. This is what I like to see. Direct $400 billion for care for elderly and disabled. What about care for the rest of Americans? What about people that need direct stimulus checks? A fourth stimulus package. Inject more than $300 billion into improving drinking water. I don't care about this. You know, it literally costs $500 billion to give every single person $1,400 stimulus check. So I'm asking you, Joe Biden, why didn't we just remove this entirely and just add a fourth round of direct stimulus check package? Comment below if you agree with me. What's more important, guys, improving water infrastructure or giving people more direct stimulus package? I think water is just fine. Putting more than $300 billion into building and restructuring affordable housing, along with construction, upgrading schools. This is debatable. Invest $580 billion. This is literally more money than to give every single person a fourth stimulus check into American manufacturing, research and development, and job training efforts. Again, you know, I'm neutral about that. The announcement kicks off Biden's second major initiative after passing the $1.9 third stimulus check relief package earlier this month. In the new move, the administration aims to improve a first proposal designed to create jobs, revamp the U.S. infrastructure, and fight climate change. Basically, all this sounds really good in paper, and I'm not opposed to it at all. I'm just very skeptical, because how does Biden actually plan to actually go about doing all this? You know, everything looks good on paper, but can you get it done in a timely manner, a reasonable amount of time? He's already putting a timestamp of 8 years, guys. Who knows if he even becomes reelected? You know, there's a good chance the next president could just overturn and just delete all this entirely. I think it needs to be done in 4 years maximum, no 8 years. That's absolutely ridiculous. I want people to have more jobs. I want people to have more money. I don't want people just laying around in unemployment. I want people, you know, making money, being self-sufficient. But with that being said, it's a lot easier said than done, right? Can he actually go through this? Can Biden actually accomplish his goals? Let me know in the comments if you agree or disagree. Do you believe that Biden can do this? Do you back Biden? Do you support Biden? Or do you say absolutely not? I'm very interested to see what you guys say in the comments. I read every single comment. And right here, Biden says $2 trillion job plan revivals the space race and ambition, guys. Biden is basically saying he wants us to be on Mars by 2024. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. That's just a joke.
You naughty. You teasing me, you naughty.
But really, he really is putting money, you know, and backing businesses that are all about the space race. Again, let me know how you feel about that. Every single day on my channel, I post daily videos. Every single video, I give away free Amazon gift card. To enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. Any comment will enter you in the giveaway. If you want to support me, guys, if you want to become a member, hit this white join button. It only costs 99 cents, literally less than $1. Some people said I prefer Patreon. No worries, guys. I also made a Patreon. Hit join, $1, guys. Not only does all the money, every single cent of your dollar, go towards helping someone else in need and charity, but as a member, if you hit join, guys, you get a diamond next to your name. You get members only exclusive emojis. You get members only access to the community tab, pictures, polls, live stream, giveaways. Every single month, I do a live stream. Every single video, I'm live interacting, answering you guys' questions, just hanging out with you guys in every single video. Not only that, I have a clothing line store. If you guys want to support me, $19.99, 100% cotton shirts. Mitch sucks, guys. If you like these, I have a whole clothing line store and a whole, you know, brand. If you actually want to support me, like I said, you can hit that like button, you can hit that join button, you can buy a shirt. How do you feel about this new $2 trillion infrastructure recovery plan? Do you believe in it? Do you support it? Are you opposed to it? And how do you feel about President Biden so far in his term overall? How do you feel about this so far? Are you ambitious? Are you hopeful? Do you think positive things are going to happen? Or are you doubtful, right? Do you actually not believe that Biden can actually make a change? Please let me know. I'm really genuinely curious to know what you guys are saying. Hit that like, be subscribed, comment, enter the free Amazon giveaway. That's it for today, guys. Peace.